gonna have to step back a little bit. Thank you.
Can you move that phone right there, please? Yes. Yeah, please hurry up, hurry up. She's, yeah. Okay.
She's coming, she's coming!
Yes, yes.
There she is.
Oh! Yeah, she's coming right now.
That's her.
She's coming right now. Yes.
That's her.
Okay. All right. Yep. I think the car's coming up. Okay, everyone, please. Yeah.
Please step back.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Keep everybody back because she's not gonna. She wants to come down, so keep everybody back.
Can you please turn your phone down as well? Thank you. Oh my god,
Security, security, get this guy out of here.
She's coming!
Sorry, sir. Don't come closer.
Okay.
Is a car on the way? Is there a car on the way?
Yes, the car's on the way.
Is there any problem over there? Good? Could be that.
Yes. She's okay. She's coming out right now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think she's coming out right now. So maybe just get all these people to stay back.
So we're gonna ask you to stay back?
Please.
Sir, thank you.
Hey, is this gonna take any longer? I'm on the
Yeah.
clock.
Okay. Hold on. The car's coming. Yes. Yes.
I got another
It's
plane
on
to
its way.
deload.
Okay. 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 Okay, yes.
Ask you to step back, thank you.
How many of these people are there?
Sir, can you...
Yes, you need this first one, and you just sign it right now. Come on. And just go. Make sure you can see.
She's not gonna come down if you guys don't respect the security. Thank you.
We love you!
Yeah, just keep all these people back. She wants to come down.
Can
So
you take
we
it
need
over
to
there?
keep all these people back. Yeah. Yeah, I think she's coming out.
Take it back.
Just please, everyone, just please stand back, okay? She's coming out right
The
now.
car is coming in a minute. Thank you.
Thank you. I think there's
Copy that.
one more bag. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's not even my job.
Yeah. Yeah. The car's coming. I know. Okay, but this was supposed to be scheduled. I know.
I don't understand what you want me to do.
Okay.
I'm not going to stand up there.
Okay. I'm really sorry.
So then go down and
Hold on.
Yeah.
There's another plane wanting to land. Can we?
Take her bag. Okay. She's gonna come right now. She's gonna come right now.
This isn't my job.
Can you breathe out in your car?
We want to see you! Come out!
Please
Okay.
step back. If you don't...
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's not gonna come out if you guys don't respect the security.
Can I get a
line.
picture?
Miss, I'm getting calls. They're
Okay,
they're
please,
saying this
please.
needs.
It's just stop, okay? Do your job. Just stay by the phone. Is the car coming? Did you call for the car already? Because she's
The
gonna
car
come
is on the
out.
way.
Okay.
That's what I heard.
Because she's up there. She's yelling at me. She needs the car. She's
What's
yelling.
ET on the
you,
car?
thank you.
We're waiting for the car on the tarmac right now. She's not gonna come out the plane if the car is not there. So hurry up with the car.
Okay.
Okay, the car is like
The car-
a minute away.
The car's here. I think the car's here.
They're trying to land another plane. Can we?
Okay. Okay.
Come down, we want to see you!
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Have them circle one more time.
Okay, so I'll get the security guard to come here, maybe. Okay. All right. She's just asking, please, to make sure everyone is behind the rope, and then she's gonna come out.
Can
okay?
she come out?
Everyone,
We
is
want to
on-
see her.
Listen,
Just make sure everybody's behind the rope, and then she's
respect
gonna
people's
come out right now,
privacy,
okay?
and
She's
if
gonna
she
come
wants
out.
to talk to you, she'll talk to
Hey,
you.
we're trying to land another plane. Can you hurry up?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can you hold this? Hold this. I'm gonna get her.
Look, do your job. We don't care how big of a celebrity she is. We have to land another
Cover
plane.
that. The car is 10 seconds away.
I'm not taking one more bag.
Listen,
Let's go. Miss, you guys are gonna get a huge fee.
Okay.
Listen.
Enough.
We love you.
I just. You want your bag?
Oh my God, we love you. I love you. I love you. Oh. Hey. Jeez.
She wants her sweater in her bag here.
We love you.
Okay, I have it. Okay. Okay.
I love you so much.
Please
take my flowers.
Oh my God, please
make
get him to stand back.
Yeah, well,
Oh my God.
can we? Sir, sorry. Can you? We'll make sure we give the flower, but
Thank you.
can you close the rope, guys? It's like no one should cross the line. No one.
Just
We try to get her out. If
okay.
hold on for a second. We need more security right here on the tarmac, or she's never gonna come out of the plane.
Okay.
The car is right here. The car is here.
The car's coming right now.
The car is here. We're just waiting, and
Okay.
we need someone, or she's never gonna come out of the plane.
Okay. Okay, so we just need to go, I think, right now. Yeah.
Okay, miss?
Miss, can you just talk to them? Like,
We call back up. We call back up. More people are coming. More people are coming.
But this is just.
I agree. I agree. I agree, man.
there's a plane that needs to land. It's running out of gas. Can you walk forward down the stairs like a
Okay,
normal
please,
person?
please, can you just leave her alone, please? Okay, I have to get my bag.
Is she
my
coming
phone.
out?
She's coming right now. Okay, yes, she's
we're-
coming off right
we-
now.
we're
Yep.
getting more
We
back
see
up.
the, I
We're
see
sorry
the
about
car. Yeah, I
this.
see you. Just
They're
pull on up.
bringing- The car is here.
We
They're
have the
bringing more
press
people.
back.
They're bringing more people for security. We try to like maintain.
Can I get a
people-
picture?
We try to maintain people behind the rope.
No, yes.
but-
Okay, thank you. No, please, no photos.
know.
No photos. Okay, she's in a big rush. No photos. No
I'm
photos.
getting called. You guys need to
Listen,
wrap this
listen,
up.
Listen, everybody's trying to do this job here, okay? So,
Just come
Okay.
down. Come down.
I'm the only one that works for the airport. Get her off the plane, please.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what else. Yeah. Okay.
we're waiting for backup. I call backup
Okay.
3 times.
Yeah.
Uh,
They're coming right there, I think. She's okay. All right. Just go. Let me
Okay, this is just. I don't want this to be like this anymore.
do you want?
Yeah.
What?
No,
come on, we wanna see
down
you.
the stairs.
We want to
guys,
see
guys,
you.
step back and then she'll come out, okay? Step back. We're trying. Everybody's trying to do the same job here.
Yeah, I know. Okay, yeah. Just get her. I have her coffee, and she has to come out right now. I know.
Okay? If you need anything, we'll make sure.
Okay, thank you.
Come out. We want to see you.
I'm getting sunburnt out here. Can we please deload this plane?
You're bringing her right now.
She's coming out.
She's coming out.
She's coming.
We love you.
She's coming.
No.
Okay, you have to come out right now. The car's here. The car's here. The car's here.
The car's here.
The car's here. Yeah.
This is no. They won't get off the plane.
Honestly, it's okay. Guys, please stay behind the rope. Thank you.
Are you like? Do you want? I think.
This plane's headed to Utah after this. Can we get it going?
Okay, it's coming.
So, give me my. Give me.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, press, please stand back. Press, please stand back. Okay. Yes, yes. I think they're. So I think the car's coming right now.
I love you. Can I get a
Oh,
photo?
no,
I love you.
Security, get them away, please. She's security. Security. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Does she want this bag? Is this the one? Is this the one? Let me see the bag. Is this the one? I don't know. Okay.
We really need some people back
We
here.
need, yeah, we need backup right now. We need it right now.
People crossing the
Yeah, I don't know. They're coming right now. They're I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
We
Please,
just
guys,
need to
back
use
up.
this plane.
Okay, just stop it. Stop. Okay.
Back
Please,
up, guys.
Everyone, okay.
Back up.
Please press. If just please stay back. She'll be right out. Okay. She'll take a few questions, but just please. Okay. Oh.
Who are you dating now? We want to know.
She doesn't want to come down.
You're the security guard. You need to get her out.
She doesn't want to go down without backup.
Well, she needs to
Because
right
people
now.
are crossing the line.
Okay.
That's your organization.
I know.
We have additional security coming to drag her off right this second.
Great. We're trying to do our job too, don't worry.
Doesn't
I
seem
don't
like
know.
it. Can you
Okay.
get her off the plane, please?
She's coming right now. Okay. Thank you.
She's been on this step for 10 minutes.
Well.
Come on,
Okay.
step backwards.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, you need to come out right now. Where is she going?
No, come out. We want to see you.
Your car is here. Your car is here.
The car's here. The car's here. Okay.
Yep,
If-
we're about ready to wrap it up.
I think
Uh-huh.
everyone just needs to please just step back a little bit. She's coming, but she's just
She just needs to
not.
be able to get in the
What's
car.
your next project?
Yeah, we just need to.
Listen, we're
gas
trying
the
to
phone.
just send her to her hotel right now. We don't. If you have any question,
What hotel is she going to? We want to
this is
know.
private. We're not going to tell you
Okay.
about this, and we're going to ask you to not follow the car as well. Okay? We're trying to do our job here.
Okay. Are you ready?
You guys make it complicated. See, like all of this just because you guys don't respect the safety zone. So, if you want to see her, respect the rules, and everything's gonna be okay.
Do you want
I know, I agree, but it's
You
yeah.
need to come out now.
13.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Anything we can do. I agree.
Okay. So maybe
Well, you know, it's the thing is like the problem that they have is like your plane arrived like an hour late, so they send the other people to somewhere else.
Here, do you want your coffee bag? Oh, okay. I don't know what to do.
Why isn't she coming out?
Yep, sorry. No, they just won't get off the plane. I don't understand either.
Yeah, just
Okay.
okay.
Can we manage that?
Yeah, they're just all. I need you to get
I
them
know,
all
but
back. I
you
need
guys
them
arrive
all
an
back.
hour. You guys arrive an hour late,
Oh,
so that they send the crew somewhere else. I'm sorry.
You guys, we need to use this plane for something else.
okay, please just stop. She's coming down right now. She's gonna come down right now. Okay. I
Can you
think
just pick her up and bring her off the plane, please, so I can deload it?
so
You think you're famous
okay.
or something?
Miss. Oh.
We'll make sure.
I'm
Yeah,
just
come
trying
down
to do
another
my
stair.
job. Can you get off the plane, please?
Can you come down more? Another stair, maybe? Yeah, just.
None
come
of these
down.
people are telling you the truth. The truth is you need to get off the plane. Get off.
Okay. Okay. Can you go? Can you go there? Can you?
It's not a ladder, it's stairs.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay, sir. Can you go? Get the bags or something.
That's not my job.
Okay. You need. Yeah. So we're gonna come down, and then we're getting him. Yeah, he's just gonna be quiet. Okay. I'll take care of it. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay.
Put your glasses on. That's what you do.
Yeah.
Car is here. Thank you.
The car's here. Okay, we have all the bags already. Okay.
Guys, thank you.
Yeah, maybe.
We want to see her. Where are you
The car's
going?
here. The car's here.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Thank you, press. Thank you. Thank
Oh my God, finally! Jesus.